Welcome to ByteVision YouTube channel. The iPhone 16 Plus, like its predecessors, represents Apple's commitment to blending high-end technology with user-friendly design. Here's a rundown based on the information available up to September 29, 2024. The iPhone 16 Plus features a larger display compared to the standard iPhone 16, typically aimed at users who prefer more screen real estate for media consumption, gaming, or productivity. The design might continue Apple's trend towards a more edge-to-edge display, possibly with refinements in materials or color options. Inside, you'll find the A18 chip, which Apple would tout for its efficiency, speed, and enhancements in handling AI tasks, video editing, and gaming. This chip would offer significant improvements over its predecessor, providing not just raw power but also better battery efficiency. The iPhone 16 Plus is equipped with a 48MP Fusion camera, which leverages computational photography to achieve impressive results even in challenging lighting conditions. Features might include enhanced night mode, deep fusion, and smart HDR, alongside a suite of video recording capabilities like 4K at various frame rates, including slow-motion options. There's mention of improved battery life, with the iPhone 16 Plus potentially offering up to 100 hours of audio playback, suggesting significant enhancements for users who demand more from their battery, especially for music or podcast listeners. Running on iOS 18 at launch, the iPhone 16 Plus would benefit from new features, improved privacy controls, and refined user interface elements. Given Apple's history, this software version would likely introduce new functionalities or enhancements tailored for the latest hardware. The introduction of the Action button indicates a move towards more physical, tactile control, which could be a nod to user feedback or a new interaction paradigm. Features like satellite connectivity for emergencies and enhancements in continuity with other Apple devices, like Apple Watch and AirPods, suggest a deeper integration ecosystem. While the iPhone 16 Plus might not have the Pro label, it's positioned as a device that offers almost Pro-level features at a potentially lower cost. This strategy aims at users looking for high-end performance without needing all the professional photography tools. Apple's commitment to using more recycled materials in the iPhone 16 Plus reflects a broader industry trend towards sustainability, which might appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Thank you for watching ByteVision YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.